morning, everyone. I am Alisha Malik from behalf of Zero Vision.
I hope many of the people already gone through the news where there are some medical attendants who are becoming the lifesaver in a flight because they treated an 15-month-old baby. The sadness is there, that is how best they tried, but still they can't do anything. Let us know what happened actually. A 15-month-old baby with heart problems was attended by a group of doctors after suffering from cardiac arrest. On board the Delhi-bound Vistara flight, passed away on Thursday. After a lengthy struggle for the last 3 days, KIMS Kingsway Hospital said in a statement. The incident happened around 3:15 a.m. The child was in a critical state after several resuscitation efforts while on the flight and during transfer to KIMS Kingsway Hospital, said the hospital authorities in the release. In a post, resuscitation state she suffered from several complications, including renal failure and cardiac failure shock. Presently, the hospital authorities are trying their best to transfer the mortal remains of this child to Bangladesh and counsel the parents. Relatives to develop strength to overcome the infinite loss, they added. On Sunday, a medical situation occurred on flight number UK814 of Vistara Airlines when a 15-month-old baby on board the flight had cardiac arrest. Co-passenger from the medical team promptly initiated life-saving measures by providing CPR to the infant. In a remarkable display of preparedness and professionalism, co-passenger from medical background on board promptly initiated life-saving measures by providing CPR to the baby passenger, said Aida Chand, Deputy General Manager of Nagpur based on KIMS Kingsway Hospitals. An emergency landing was announced as the situation got critical. The airline team coordinated with the Nagpur airport authorities. KIMS Kingsway Hospital ambulance was at service to ensure the seamless transfer of infant passenger to KIMS Kingsway Hospital. However, the baby could not be saved.